So although we would never want any of our patients to have to go through the process of being treated for lymphoma, I think that there has never been a more exciting time in lymphoma research and in drug development. So although we've had a number of approvals of new drugs in the last year or two, 2020 looks to continue to build on that momentum. There's a number of very exciting new therapies, and many of these therapies are effective in patients where we've in the past not had the most success. So for example, in relapsed aggressive lymphoma, there hasn't always been the most effective regimens, and then we developed CAR T-cell therapy. But we found is that while CAR T-cell therapy is effective for 30 to 40% of patients, there still are other patients who ultimately relapse. And at this meeting, in the plenary session, we're hearing about some newer therapies that may be available, even in that setting where patients progress after CAR T. And so I think what the take-home message for me would be is that we are just, the pace of discovering new drugs and new effective therapies for patients across the breadth of lymphoma is only picking up. And so while as a researcher, it means that it becomes more and more challenging to keep up and to keep my eyes on everything as a patient, it just means that there are so many options out there, many of which are currently available and others that even within the next 12 to 18 months are going to be available.